All right, welcome back to another part of this WordPress course, and in this section we are going to dive into something more interesting, just like the ones that we've been doing before. So in this section we are going to move on to the user section. So if you want to move to the user section, if you want to access the user section from your dashboard, you are going to place your cursor just by the bottom, close to the bottom left of the corner of your dashboard, but not really at the bottom. So you're going to move your cursor to the section here, and there you find the users section. So you click on the users and it will take you directly to the main screen of the users dashboard. So what exactly is the users dashboard? What does the users functionality, how does it apply to managing your website? So in case you're wondering what the user section is all about, the user section allows you to add, edit, remove, and manage the users who have access to your website. So this user section is where you get to manage by adding, editing, or even removing the users that have access to your website. And from here you can decide to have multiple users managing your website for you while you focus on some other important things. So one of the benefits of WordPress as a content management system is that you can actually decide to have multiple users managing your website while you focus on some other things. So like we earlier mentioned, WordPress user roles by default consist of the following. So we have administrator role, we have the editors role, and we have the authors, contributors, and subscribers. So in the next video we are going to be taking a look at some of these roles and how they differ from each other.